No matter what heights they capture, the Indian Army will always get back to them and recapture those heights.
The nation lost an outstanding soldier in General Bipin Rawat. Here is a look back at some of his major career highlights. General Rawat was the first appointed Chief of Defence Staff, a role that integrated the Army, the Air Force and the Navy. He was the one-point advisor to the government on matters related to the military. He became the Chief of Army Staff in 2016 and rose to be the first Chief of Defence Staff in 2020.
चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ का जो टास्क कटआउट है वो है तीनों सर्विस को एकजुट होकर सक्षम बनाना.
He played a key role in the planning for the surgical strike across enemy lines in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in 2016, and he was instrumental in the planning of the airstrike on a Jaish-e-Mohammed's terror training camp in Pakistan's Balakot in 2019. General Rawat was reportedly monitoring the developments from South Block in New Delhi.
The surgical strikes were a message that we had communicated, and that if required, and if the adversary does not behave, then if we have to continue with these kind of activities and events, we will continue.
He was instrumental in reducing militancy in northeast India. He supervised the 2015 cross-border operation into Myanmar, in which the Indian Army successfully responded to an ambush by NSC&K militants. General Rawat's deep knowledge of counterinsurgency and high-altitude warfare came from his postings in difficult terrains of the Northern and Eastern Commands. He has also served in the Southern Command. In his long and illustrious career, as he rose through the ranks, he has seen the length and breadth of this vast country. Here are some of his other postings. He commanded a company in Uri, Jammu and Kashmir. As a colonel, he commanded the 5th Battalion 11 Gorkha Rifles in the eastern sector along the line of actual control at Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh. As a brigadier, he commanded 5 sector of Rashtriya Rifles in Sopore, Kashmir. As a senior officer, he has also been part of the United Nations Peacekeeping Force in the Democratic Republic of Congo, where he commanded a multinational brigade and was recognized for his service. Born in 1958, General Rawat was a student of St. Edward's School, Shimla. He then went to the National Defence Academy, Kharakwasla. Rawat studied at the Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and Higher Command National Defence College. He also attended the Command and General Staff course at Fort Leavenworth in the United States. General Rawat graduated from the IMA with a Sword of Honour as the head of his batch. He was commissioned in the 5th Battalion of the 11 Gorkha Rifles in December 1978. This was the battalion commanded by his father, Lieutenant General Lakshman Singh Rawat, who retired as the Deputy Chief of Army. His grandfather was also in the army. We pay our respect to the departed military leader.